Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Sepia officinalis. It belongs to the family Mollusca. Its common name is cuttlefish. And the medicine is prepared by the black ink, released by the fish in defense. First of all, let's know about Sepia. Sepia is one of the best known homeopathic remedies for women. It covers most of the female complaints. However, it may be indicated in males but less frequently. Sepia people are proud individuals. And it is important for them to affirm their ego, their will and their dignity. They love freedom. And try to make their personality as best as they can. Many Sepia patients are ambitious. They strive for an independent position in their career, and put all their energy in building this career. Others, however, gives preference to happiness in their private life. They get married and have children in young age. One of these options serve to make Sepia patient content well-balanced and happy. Difficulties start when these people do not have enough space or time for themselves, or when they are forced to do things against their will, in their professional or private life. They then feel used, disrespected. They are disappointed and then become ill. They are stuck in the confines of marriage and job. There is no time left for self-fulfillments. These people now grow increasingly irritable. They get angry quickly and burst into tears on little issues. They dislike having other people around them and they avoid any physical contact. The increasing frustration and exertion, and the feeling that they are unable to change anything, make them depressed and indifferent to everything. These people used to be full of pride and dignity, and now they are broken. They no longer care about anything. They only want to be left alone. They feel worn out, and in later stages of their pathology, they become increasingly apathetic. The slackening is also expressed in physical complaints. The intestines lack tonicity and are often constipated. The muscles, connective tissue and the skin turn soft and slack. In women, the uterine prolapse and miscarriages occurs frequently. What happens when there is hormonal balance is exactly the same in the body of Sepia. A state of balance between maleness and femaleness. Hormonal balance is equal, so they are indifferent to sex. Sepia is adapted to persons of dark hair, rigid fiber, but mild and easy disposition. They tend to be very thin, bony and have long thin limbs and digits, and have a long neck. Sepia acts on venous system, ovaries, uterus, GIT, and liver, producing congestion. It also acts upon kidneys and skin. Let's talk about the mental generals of Sepia. Sepia's anxiety is the worst. She will cry day and night and not know why. Anxiety for unknown cause, only a feeling that something bad is going to happen. Indifferent, even to one's family, to one's occupation, to those whom she loves best. Aversion to opposite sex. She is unable to feel the natural affection or love for her husband and children. Indolent, does not want to do anything. Nothing seems exciting. She wants to stay alone. Sepia is clairvoyant. And she has enough internal clarity to separate her intuitions from her wishes and fears. She takes a long time to give answer. Now, let's talk about physical generals. Sepia is given in diseases of women, especially those occurring during pregnancy, childbirth and lactation. It is a washerwoman's remedy, aggravated after laundry work. They are sensitive to cold air, and lack vital heat. Sensation of a ball in inner parts. Faints easily, after getting wet, from extremes of heat or cold, riding in a carriage. All the coverings of the neck felt too tight. Sepia women loves to dance and feel better by general vigorous exercise. Muscles become weak, due to loss of control by the autonomic nervous system. Aversion to food, even the smell. Let's see Sepia's action on particular organs. Headache, in terrific shocks, at menstrual nesis, with scanty flow. Vertigo with sensation of something rolling around in the head. On face, yellowish saddle across nose and cheeks. Salty and foul taste in mouth. Nausea at smell or sight of food. Pregnancy morning sickness. Painful sensation of emptiness, not relieved by eating. Pain in rectum during and long after stool. Sense of fullness in the rectum, with constipation. Urine deposits a reddish clay-colored sediment, which adheres to the vessel. Bed is wet almost as soon as the child goes to sleep. Discharge from urethra, only at night, with no pain. Enuresis. Complaints from coition. Bearing down sensation, as if everything would escape from the vulva. Must cross limbs tightly. Prolapses of uterus and vagina. Menses too late or scanty, irregular, early and profuse, sharp clutching pains. Complaints from coition. Miscarriages. Dyspnea aggravated by sitting, after sleep, in room, and ameliorated by dancing or walking rapidly. Pain in the lumbosacral region, ameliorated by hard pressure. Pain extends to back from other parts. Ringworm-like eruptions every spring. Urticaria ongoing in open air and better in warm room. Cloasma, herpetic eruptions on lips, around mouth and nose. Aggravation, in afternoon or evening, from laundry works, from getting wet, from cold air or dry wind, sexual excesses, at rest, sultry, moist weather, before a thunderstorm. Amelioration from warmth of bed, hot applications, violent exercise. Hope you liked this video. For more videos on drug pictures, click the playlist given on right side, and for other videos related to homeopathy, subscribe the channel.